My name is Dr. Jacqueline Tanaka. I'm a faculty member in the biology department.
So if you take her course before you repeat 1111, you'll come back with a second or an additional skill set that you'll be able to use and more experience studying and applying.
And one of the drivers that motivated me to develop the course was the cost of retaking courses, because it holds you back from making progress in the curriculum.
Condense this as quickly as possible. By the time you're then toward your end of the sophomore year, you won't be that far behind. You will have done those courses and you'll be able to move on to the next level of courses, and you'll be more effective in those courses.
They don't understand how important diagrammatic reasoning is in biology. They don't understand how to efficient methods to sort of really learn the material, which I think is something that you cover in Bio 109.
Yeah, I often see them with note cards, like in high school, memorizing vocabulary. But if they can't connect things, and then they get into an exam, which is very hard, they freeze or they can't recall it. Whereas the idea behind concept maps is, even if you forget a definition, you can put the information back together.
What students learn is that they have to memorize things, and they learn to memorize things, but then they can't manipulate the information that they've memorized. And so this course shows you how to learn the information and really make it your own so that you can really use it.
When you come to college, you can't think that you know everything, because you don't know how teachers are going to want to teach you, and you're not going to know what they want you to learn. One thing I really enjoyed about being in class was the cartooning. We definitely, you got to see how artistic other students were. I think the group work was my favorite thing to do, because you got to see how other people thought, and really seeing how other people's ideas might be similar to yours. It definitely helps. Like, you feel like, like you knew something.
Ever since I took 1111, I really didn't know how to study for the course. It was a lot of content just thrown at you. So I personally assumed that I just had to read the textbook and just type notes and really kind of go through it that way. But in the end, I just felt like I struggled and wasted a lot of time doing those things. I recommend this course because I had taken 1111 prior to taking 1009, but after I took it, I felt like I was better in my bio courses straight after. I was able to kind of have an idea of what to expect from professors, be able to actually take better notes in class, and how to use my time more efficiently when studying.
In the class, we went over a couple articles, and we didn't study terms, we didn't look at the textbook, we looked at how people actually think when you think about science. And I think that's something that a lot of people lack nowadays.